So just come to the official website of WriteSonic. Just write writesonic.com and you will be prompted to the official website of WriteSonic, and after that you will see this kind of interface. Just click on get started for free, and here on this page you have to simply log in with your account. You can either go ahead and sign up with your Google account, so I'm gonna do just that. You can manually fill your information as well if you want to, and after that on the home screen you will see all these options on the left hand side of the window and all these options on your home screen. In order to create blogs and articles, just click on this blogs and articles on the home screen itself, and here you will see all these options. You can see that it says that get inspired by top ranking competitor. You can also go from an idea to an outline to a final article, like in a step-by-step process basically. So I'm just gonna click on go from idea to outline to a final article. So I'm just gonna take you through the step-by-step process, and which is completely unique, that you can go ahead and upload in your website. So just click on get started. Yes, so here on this page you can see that it is a quite step-by-step process. So in the left hand side, first you have to mention the topic. So what it will does that when you will write the topic and click on search keyword, the AI tool will automatically give you the list of the keyword that you can use, which is quite similar to the one that you will write here. So for example, I'm just gonna show you just that. For example, I want to write an article for my website as a form of vlog about top 10 gift ideas for the coming Valentine's, which is Valentine is just around the corner. So why not just write about that only? Just click on search keyword. As soon as you type your keyword, just click on get ideas, and after that you will see that your main topic will be your top 10 gift ideas for Valentine's Day, and your keyword is the same itself. And after that you can choose the tone of the article, basically the voice of it, and the point of view you can select from the drop down: first person, second person, third person. So I'm just gonna keep it on first person. And you can also write a call of action, and you can also choose the quality of the article that the AI tool will going to generate. And after that just simply click on generate ideas. Now you will see these 3 ideas that AI has curated for you. So you can simply read all of them and decide which one would you want to go forward with, and then after that the AI tool will get an outline for the particular article based on the ideas that you will choose here on this page. So first one says the ultimate guide, which says top 10 gift ideas for Valentine's Day, and the next one is express your love, top 10 gift ideas for Valentine's Day, spoil your loved ones. I think the last one seems pretty much interesting to me, so I'm just gonna click on this one, and after that it will create an outline for me that I can use, and later on it will be converted into an article. Get an outline of the article first. Basically it will tell you all the topics and subsection for the article. So as you can see that on this page it has given me so many options that I can go ahead and select accordingly. There will be different section in the article. In the first one it would be like significance of Valentine Day, why choosing the right gift is important, top 10 gift ideas, personalized gift, romantic experiences. So you can go through all of them one by one. I cannot go through each one of them right now as I'm going. So let's and after that, once you go through it, just select the one that you will like the most. For example, I'm choosing this one, and now this AI tool will create an article for you. So just click on generate article from the bottom left, and now you will see that it has given the main title to the article with the image. Wow, it looks nice. And now as you can see that the AI is generating the article for us. And once the article is created, you can go ahead and make the changes after reading the entire article. If you want to change anything, you can simply click on this edit icon from the bottom which says open in Sonic editor. So the Sonic editor will be open, and after that you can manually change the line or the post, or if you want to include more pictures in the article, so you can go ahead and do that. And if you're liking it that way only, so you can simply just click on the download icon from the top right corner, and the post will be downloaded in your device, and then after that you can go ahead and upload in your website. But if in case you want to add more pictures to it, and here on the left hand side menu you will see the option called WriteSonic, so just click on it. So this is one of my favorite feature in the WriteSonic. Here what you can do is just click on this search icon, and here you can just give the prompt to the AI tool, and the AI tool will create an image for you. For example, I want to add more pictures in my article that I have just created. Just click on generate. and now you can see that this has created beautiful pictures for me. So what I can do is just go ahead and download the pictures from here and add these pictures in the article that I've just created and make my article even more pleasant to read and more attractive. So these are few of the features that I've just shown you on WriteSonic. So if you want me to go in detail of any other feature of the WriteSonic, you can comment down below and I will make another tutorial on that for you guys. So just let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.